Okay, I'm going to demo the unit changing area program from the section 1.7. Okay, so this problem, you're designing a rectangular banner for the front of the museum, and the banner will be 4 feet wide and 7 yard high. So this has different unit. And how much material do you need in square yards? So you have 4 feet and 7 yard, and you have to get the area of this, and you have to answer this in square yard. So the best way to do is to convert the feet into yard, because the problem is asking you in yard. Okay, if the problem doesn't ask you the unit, then do whatever is easier for you, but keep the unit that you changed in the length in the multiplier, and keep the same unit. Don't try to change the unit after you multiplied. Okay, so 4 feet, so it's the 3 feet is 1 yard, right? So for this one is 1 yard and 1/3, right? If it's 4 feet, the 3 feet is 1 yard, so it's 1 yard and 1/3 yard is equal 4 feet. So change this to 4/3 yard. Okay, it's easier to multiply. And the height is 7 yard, so times 7 yard, which is 4/3 times 7, which is 28 or 3 yards square, and this would be the answer. Okay, now I show you why it's important to change the lengths to what you're looking for in answer, because let's say that you change this to feet and you still have to answer in the yard. This is what's gonna happen. So you do 4 feet, right? And then 7 yard is 28 feet, right? No, I'm sorry, 21 feet. 7 times 3, not 4, 21 feet. Okay, then you do 4 times 21 equal 84. And now this is in feet squared. So now you have to change this to yard. Most people here, they divide this by 3. Okay, most people, no matter how much you try to remember, you just end up doing this most of the time. And so you get 28 yards square, and you get it wrong. You know why? And you're probably wondering, why can't you divide by 3? Because it's supposed to be 28 over 3. You shouldn't get a different answer. It's because 3 feet and 1 yard are the same length, right? Okay, so if we change this to feet, this is 3 feet, right? So 3 feet times 3 feet equal 9 feet squared. And if I change this to 1 yard, and this is 1 yard, so 1 yard times 1 yard is 1 yard square. So when you are squaring it, you have to square the lengths. So you actually have to divide by 9, not 3. So if you do 84 divided by 9, you get 28 over 3, which is the same as this. But most people forget to square and then divide by 3, and that's why I recommend changing it to the unit the answer is looking for before you multiply. Okay?